Today, Europe's first attempt at an orbital launch from Norway doesn't end well. Catch astronauts launch into a polar orbit for the first time tonight, and bone density loss in mice on the ISS gives clues about the effects of long-term microgravity on humans. First, the mice. A new study published March the 26th shows that mice on the ISS lost bone density in their femurs very rapidly compared to mice that remained on Earth. You can see the changes in this image from the paper. On the left is the control, and on the right, the space mice. The bottom line from the research seems to be that most of the bone density loss in the mice occurred in their weight-bearing joints, and much less in areas that are loaded by muscle use. The bones worked by muscle use can be loaded in space through exercise, but it's much more difficult to load the weight-bearing joints. This research also suggests that radiation is not a big contributing factor to the bone density loss that is observed in astronauts. Obviously, more research is needed, but this will be a major issue for astronauts on long-duration space missions. Tonight, you can watch the crewed Fram-2 mission launch from Kennedy Space Center at 9:34 p.m. Eastern Time. The crewed Dragon capsule will orbit over the Earth's poles, a first for humans. The crew will be in low Earth orbit for around 4 days and will perform up to 22 experiments in that time. Finally, ESA Aerospace attempted to launch its Spectrum 2 rocket into orbit on Sunday. This would have been the first orbital launch from European soil. The flight ended after about 18 seconds when an anomaly became apparent and the rocket pancaked back to Earth, ending in a fiery explosion. Fortunately, the rocket ended up in the water, the launch facility was undamaged, and nobody was hurt. Hopefully, ESA can get another attempt going soon. That's today's short. I'll see you back here tomorrow.